Hi everybody, it's Christina Hawkins. I wanted to walk you through what's been going on with Google Business Profile and some of the changes that we're seeing. Some of the things that we're seeing, there's two of them I want to share with you. One is the fact that a lot of the management of your Google Business Profile is now on the search results page itself, and the other is they've given you little icons on the profile, the strength of your profile of that specific location. So let's just take a look really quick. Originally, when you would sign in, if you've got multiple locations, you would come in here and you could click any one of these and it would actually open up a separate page to be able to manage it. They've changed that. And now if you click on this, it actually opens up the search results, what I was talking about. So everything that you're going to do, you're going to manage it all within here. You've got your profile strength up in here. That's the second item that we're seeing. I can't show you right now because it actually looks good, but if you were to click this, it's a little bit of a wizard that walks you through its recommended updates and changes. So things like categories, turning on phone calls, turning on chat, those are things that they recommend you do. It's up to you if you would like to do that. On the flip side, other areas in here that people sometimes miss when it comes to this new interface is this three little button on the top right. That's where a lot of this things that you're going to want to be able to manage in here. For example, manage your profile settings. This is where you're going to add, like someone like my company, my marketing agency here, and you're going to want to add here, and you can put in a Google email address. Now it has to be a Google email address or that is managed by Google or Google Apps, but you're going to have to add that manager depending on the level. If you are hiring an agency, I recommend manager level. Do not give them ownership. This should only be literally the owner of the company should have ownership. Manager is just fine. That gives you that enough capabilities to update categories and add posts and add photos and respond to reviews. You do not want them to be an owner. Then you can, if we go back in here, there's some more advanced settings, linked accounts. So if you've got some Google ads, you might want to make sure you're linking your Google ads to your Google local. We've got your edit your profile. This is where you can come in here and update your business categories, update your website, update your hours, your holidays, and spend some time kind of updating a little bit more about the information. For sure, you can read your reviews. This is where you want to hit reply and just send a message to anybody that's given you a review. You can actually at the bottom here, ask for reviews. This is what the URL that you want to copy and paste into any kind of emails you might be sending out to clients that's specifically asking them to send you a review. Then we've got edit services are down here. I recommend everybody put in all of your services that you actually do, and make sure that you are get all the service that you have, but also where is my edit services? We should be I'm going to change based on feedback from Google or So make sure you monitor this a little bit more, because people are always coming in here and giving edits, and if Google likes it, they're going to put that category in there. So make sure you're being a little bit more specifically coming in here and managing this, making sure it's got the correct information. Once you've confirmed those categories, now you want to come in here and spend a little time and write a bit of a service description for each one of these. I believe it is up to 300 words. So write an intro about that specific service. So if you're doing moving companies should have moving, packing, storage, transportation, whatever main services that you do, put that service description in there. Do that for every single service. Make sure that you've got your calls are turned on. Make sure that you've got, if you're allowed bookings, I believe if you click here, it can send them to your specific booking page. You've got Q&As, which you should absolutely be either creating your own questions or answering them. So spend some time in here. Make sure that you're adding any updates. Anytime you write a blog post or any kind of piece of content, make sure that you add an update in here. When you'll notice that you can actually have up to 1,500 words. That could be a complete blog post on here. Careful of duplicate content. What I like to do is I put the headline in here with the key phrase and maybe about 500 words in there. Come down here to add a button, click learn more and put that link in there. Be sure to use UTMs. If you have questions about UTMs, I wrote a blog post about that. Make sure you add a photo. If you are doing hyperlocal kind of work, geotag that photo. Just Google geotag images, and usually the first or the second option in there, put that. You can now geotag the photo that you might have, maybe a friend send it to you, but if you've done it with your phone, you should be good. It'll automatically geotag it. Even DSLR cameras will geotag it by location. But if maybe it's a stock photo, you can go to that geo imaging tag, and you can tell it, hey, I want it to be in Houston, Texas, and it'll give that Houston, Texas geotag within that image. So try and spend a little bit of time doing that, put those updates in there. And you'll notice for myself down here, you can see that's what we do. We constantly in here putting our updates. We do that for our clients. Next thing might be products. Again, if you've got specific products, if you've got like a training, or if you're a moving company, you might have some packing boxes, some special tape. You might want to put those products in there. But other than that, I just wanted to give you an overview. They try and kind of get you to kind of extend your Google Business Profile. And most of these you can probably ignore, but I do like this one. Add a map to your website. Make sure that you put that map on your website. If you've got service areas and you've got several locations, you want that geotag map that you're actually embedding of your Google Business Profile should be on your website. I highly recommend spending a little time on here, beefing up that Google Business Profile, and spend some time editing. Make sure you're constantly in there adding photos and updating this. So, all right, well, good luck to you. Let me know if I can be of any help. My contact information is in the description with a link to our website. Thanks so much. Bye.